Yo, what is up, y'all? And Mateo Trades here, back with another backtesting session. Today we're going to be backtesting 1 week of 2022 February price action, and this is the win rate so far. It's 70%, 14 trades. Not great average RR. That's okay for now. I'm going to try to increase that in the future, but for now, I'll just let it be. And I mean, if I can, maybe target a little bit more, but main goal right now is just being a little bit more discretionary and taking more trades, because I feel like that's my main issue right now, I guess. So yeah, we're just gonna be starting here on the 14th, and yeah, let's just get straight into it. Okay, so the weekly is looking pretty dang bearish. We are in bearish order flow, delivering off all-time highs, clearly not respecting this as we're holding this weekly condition. Bearish displacement here, displaced through this internal low. We do have a daily open low, but I don't know. We'll see what the lower time frame looks like, maybe. Okay, so we are in for our bearish order flow. We are holding this, so we don't really need to see back up to here. We do have this unfilled 4 hour as well though, and we're quite discounted. On the 1 hour, we have an SMT at these highs, London session high above. I mean, like, realistically, we probably shouldn't have inversed if we were gonna be bearish here. So I do think London highs is probably a clear draw on liquidity, so I'm just gonna mark that off. We also are pretty discounted, daily open low, bullish, what's it called, bullish daily profile, souped this 1 hour sell side and souped out London session lows. So it does look pretty clearly bullish, but I need to see how we react off this 1 hour busy. So leaning more bullish right now because souped 1 hour sell side and WR IFVG, and we're overall pretty discounted, and bullish daily profile and daily open low, so I want to see a push higher to make the weekly top wick. Yeah, I think that makes sense. TOL is going to be 4 hour unfilled and on the session high. If condition for bearish is met, then I could see low of day. Conditions 1 hour busy. Let's see. I mean, we do have some pretty good structure below. Yeah, okay. Definitely leaning a bit more bullish here though. Yeah, I'll give this maybe a 3. I don't know, I'm not super confident just because we're not like really delivering from much higher time frame. Just like, what, like 4 hour order block. I guess daily order block as well. But I don't know. Yeah, I'm not super sure. But I definitely want to see maybe an open low off open here and then longs. Yeah. Nothing yet. We have no 15 minute. Yeah, okay. Let's see. Maybe a 5 minute count? No  5 minute yet. Damn, bro. SMT with this low. Still nothing really. Yeah, it looks like it's, yeah, just gonna play out without me. That's okay though. We're now back inside of this 4 hour. Daily flipped. We're overall discounted. And we have EQ pretty much perfectly aligned with that 4 hour unfilled. Nice little AMD here on the hourly I mean, I guess this was a breakaway gap, but then at the same time, we did just inverse this 5 minutes, so there really wasn't anything that we could have taken here. Let's see if we end up pushing more bullish here. Okay, that's the 4-hour close. Still have this hourly unfilled. We don't have any conditions or anything opening. Yeah, this doesn't look great. Maybe could see call longs. We did just tap into this hourly. And then, yeah. I don't know, we don't really have great targets though. It's kind of high resistance because we closed the soup on this hourly. I don't know. Yeah, this is like, it's okay. It's also an SMT at this high, which, low-key, that doesn't really matter. Alright, let's see if this even gives an inversion. Yeah, not a good one. I'm just gonna wait for a call. Another SMT at sell side. Maybe equal highs above. Is my mic working? Oh, 1 sec. Alright, I'm back. Yeah, 30-minute open low. That's also 10 a.m. open low. SMT inside of that 4-hour. Yeah, maybe. Oh, wait. Yeah, I think that's a pretty bad inversion. Yeah, I don't know. I don't really like this. It's kind of weird. We don't have any PD raise internally. It's just straight up delivering from SMTs, which I don't really like too much. And then targets are kind of mid. Looks like we're chopping a bit, generating more sell side than buy side. Okay, good fade, good fade. What's ES saying? We're pretty bearish, it seems. Do a 3-minute, 2-minute, 1 minute. We do have a 1 minute inversion. This isn't terrible. Nah, it's pretty bad. I don't know, maybe if we like tap something here, that would have been okay, but I guess we have, yeah, no, literally just SMTs. I don't know. Yeah, I don't see really any reason that we should deliver from this over any of these. I mean, I guess this 1030 PO3 is aligned, but aside from that, not really anything. So just gonna fade. Yeah, would have just probably been break even. Ended up playing out, but yeah. See, does draw on liquidity end up? Yeah, okay. Draw gets hit. Yeah, it's just like really weird PA today. I guess it was a no news Monday, so I'm not super surprised, but pretty trash day today. We had this one set up, which was okay. It was what was I gonna say? It was a, yeah, just SMT with 1 hour and then 1030 PO3 long, and I was bullish, but we just were chopping for so long on NQ that I wanted TM because this was just way too weak. Alright, yeah, that's pretty much it for Monday. Let's go Tuesday. Okay. Alright, so now, very bearish here, pulled back into this order block on the weekly, pull back into this daily SIBI. Do we have, okay, we did trade it back into EQ as well. this daily range. Tapped in that OB. It's pretty clean. We have good sell side below, good manipulation. Let's see, unsponsored London lows below. We do have this 30-minute. Damn, I wonder why you ripped. Yeah, we have a 30-minute right here as well. It looks just like, I don't know, maybe an open high-low close. I don't really see any reason that we should have rejected this. Unless maybe we hit the weekly CE of this rejection block, but I don't know. I mean, it just looks like we're in bearish order flow. We did. Monthly does look kind of bullish. I don't know. Yeah, it's kind of rough. I mean, on the 4-hour, we got a clean market structure shift if we're gonna be bullish here. Dang, maybe I'll just be more condition based. Or like if we run through equilibrium or something, I could see London lows. If it holds, I could see higher. Oh, or I can maybe trade this, like if we go lower, then we can trade higher. But if we trade higher, then we can trade lower. I think that's probably the only way to play it. Pretty conflicted here. But honestly, I think I'm going to be a bit more bullish because looking at the monthly, it does kind of make sense. We did soup out this low and we are having an open low, I guess. I guess it might have been an open, yeah, I guess this was an open high, but we are holding the CE of this rejection block anyway. And I guess like OTE of this range. Yeah, OTE is holding. I don't know, 4-hour market structure shift. It does look kind of bullish, so I guess we'll just have to see. A bit more bullish. We do have a 1-hour. Or wait, we're delivering from weekly RB and monthly BISI. And okay, yeah, but then internally we have delivery from weekly SIBI and daily IFVG lower and pull back into daily SIBI. But on the 4-hour, we're clearly respecting weekly RB with a 4-hour market structure shift, so should be a bit more bullish. But yeah, I'm not super confident. Internal high or London session low. Condition's gonna be the 1-hour BC. Strength of draw 2.5. Yeah, I think 2.5 makes sense. I think could just like wait for a cont, maybe, I don't know. Soups that. Yeah, I don't know. This is a bit weird. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. It's kind of whack. Let's just see how this holds. I mean, if we had a comp through this, could see higher. Damn. Yeah, this looks really chopped. Will we tap this 30-minute? Got shorts. No, we didn't get no shorts. Yeah, still just waiting for something more obvious to present itself. 10 a.m. just opened. We do have an unfilled 4-hour, which I do really like. And we have this hourly above. So it's going to be pretty much the same thing that I was saying off open. Either we take this and run lower, or we take that and run higher. But it's going to also be condition based. Like if we do, this is a 4-hour breakaway gap, so if we do end up ripping through this intermediate term high, then we can see these highs. If it holds though, I could definitely see lower. So yeah, let's see what we end up getting here. Alright, looks like we're generating liquidity to go take out this 4-hour and potentially run higher. Or the opposite. I don't know what's going on. Alright, we just took out the hourly. Let's see if we respect or not. Okay, could see cons. Good. Really good accumulation zone right here. Wow, this was a horrible session, man. Damn. Bro. Yeah, there's no way I'm taking that. Like, if we got a what's it called? An 11 a.m. open low? Maybe. I don't know, like, I mean, I guess we did manipulate. We also opened this 15-minute. And the 1-hour close respecting. That's kind of annoying. Do we have a 2-minute? Ooh. Okay, we did trade lower. Do we have a 30-second? We do have a 30-second. We can maybe try this out. Ooh. Okay. I think I'm willing to take this, honestly. This looks pretty good. We have relative equal highs right here. Nice little internal high for break even. I feel like this is going to be a really quick run. I don't know if I want to... what's it called? I don't know if I want to limit this just because of the internal S&T. Clear draws 11 a.m. open low. And yeah, clear draw higher. I don't like that we didn't tap this 4-hour though. That's kind of weird. Either way, it is a 15-minute. 10 a.m. did absolutely nothing, so I don't really mind taking this long. And we have good buy side above. Yeah, I think I'll try this out. I mean, I guess I could maybe take profits at a 1-to-1 and then just hold to that. I don't know, I guess. Damn. Yeah, this is just horrible RR to this internal high. But I'm pretty confident in that, so. Horrible PA all session. We just chopped, but we're delivering from the 1-hour and 4-hour below is a breakaway gap. Then 11 a.m. open low into the 15-minute for cons, longs, and 30-second IFVG with good AMT and clean PO3. Alright, probably 4, I think. All of this makes sense. I don't think that's in discount, right? Oh, actually, maybe. Nah. But it did tap everything that we needed to, so that's fine. No. Yeah, no, I don't think so. It is past. No, actually. Any reason not to take this? No, I don't think so. Pretty confident in this. This is Tuesday, bullish. We're delivering from a 1-hour. I think, yeah, we're delivering from the hourly. delivering overall from this weekly rejection block right there. And then we have, let's see, I mean, yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. Okay, that's fine. And then internally, okay, internally we have delivery from a 15-minute internal SMT. Do we have a breaker? Nope. Do we have a order block or anything? No, no delivery from an order block. Yeah, just good internal SMT. No, do we have a 3 drive? Yeah, no 3 drive. No EQ. Internal soup, yes. No rejection block. Okay, that's fine. 11 a.m. 30-second premiums. And I'll give it a 4. So, oh, what the heck? I swear I already, okay. I thought I already did that, but whatever. Okay, break even there. Oh shoot. I'm in 2 trades here. Hold on, let me go back, because I don't know why I didn't say that I was already in one. That's kind of stupid. Oh well, whatever. Bro, what is going on? Okay. Yo, what? Is FX replay? Bro, holy man. This thing is tripping, bro. Here's my break even. I'll probably take some off at a 1-to-1. Just because it is 11 and it's like not a super high confirmation entry. Dang. No 1-to-1, just got break even. Kind of sucks, but whatever. I mean, I guess this could have been 1-to-1 maybe if we had done a limit here, but again, thought it was going to be a pretty quick rip. To be honest, it was a pretty quick rip, but okay, yeah, break even a loss. Good trade. Got BE. I think if my conviction is mainly to the internal high and the limit doesn't need to be too far, just put the limit so you can get 1-to-1. I think this was a pretty good trade though. 0, and then this. Oh damn. Wait, why did I not do this? Whatever, it's not like a super important thing. I think today was pretty good. I'll give it an 8.5. Actually, probably 9. I think being a bit more risk off was smart. I think it was a good trade. I think I played it pretty well. Only thing I could have done better is maybe limiting a bit lower so I could get that 1-to-1. Or maybe tightening my stop by a little bit. That might have actually been better, to be honest. Yeah, true. Okay. That's actually really important. Good trades today. Or trade today. Bias was really hard, but I think I got the right direction for the most part, but it was super choppy. Next time or limit a little lower. Because like in this trade, if I had just done that, or like a little bit of both, my stop was here originally, and then 1-to-1 would have been where, like right there. If I had done this and then like this, that's a 1-to-1. And so that I moved it down like 2 points and then moved this up 2 points. So like, you know, it's not, I mean, and I could have done a little bit more so that I could get 1-to-1 there. But yeah, it's fine. Still learning, so it's not no big deal. It's part of the process. And going to the 16th. Oh wait, did I just do something? Color blue. Sec. Interesting. Alright, so we are displacing through. Actually, I guess not. We kind of traded back up into this daily, took up previous day's highs, respecting right now. We are a little bit premiums, but this 4 hour is holding. We are getting good displacement down toward this 4 hour sell side. Bearish daily profile, 1 hour market structure shift out of the daily. So we have time for alignment. We do have this. It's not opened yet, but okay, there's a 30-minute. That'll be my condition. If this ends up holding, or sorry, if that ends up failing, then we could see lower. But as of now, we're in pretty bearish order flow. So yeah, if holds bearish, if doesn't hold bullish, and we could be like holding this order block or, you know, whatever. But I think I'm definitely leaning a bit more bearish today. We do have data highs. What is this? Retail sales? Nah, that's not data highs. Okay, cool. Alright. Leaning more bearish coming into the day because we're inside the daily and gave a 1 hour market structure shift, and then our intermediate term low, which looks like a clean target. What else? Oh yeah, super bearish daily profile. Bearish daily profile and souped previous day's high and rejected lower. Yeah, I think this is pretty clean. 4 hour intermediate term low or London session high. Condition is gonna be 30-minute SIBI. I think this can be like a 3.5. I'm still not super confident because I am overall like higher time frame bullish because of that tap of the weekly RB and the monthly structure. Once this low is taken, I can reevaluate and potentially be bullish. So yeah, I think we can get into this. So alright, we rip lower. Do we? Okay, this is the unfold 4 hour, I think. Yeah, that's the unfold 4 hour. Nice. Yeah, still just want to see back into the 30-minute, or takes that out first. Okay, took that out first. 5-minute right here. I don't really want to see a MAC right now just because this is pretty good buy side. Equal highs, pretty low resistance. Could low-key see a MAC maybe. Damn. What the flip, yo? Maybe a 5-minute opened? Nah. Damn. Yeah, I don't know. If we... I think we opened a 3-minute. Do we have a 4-minute? Yes, we do. bruh. Pretty slow inversion. Time to close is 4, or I guess 3. Oh, we opened a 5-minute too. Okay, that's gonna be a good condition. We'd have this unfilled 15-minute. Ooh, I don't really like that close too much. What does 1 minute look like? We do have an SMT. Okay, that's not bad. That's a protected low. Took out the sell side, which is an intermediate term low. I don't mind this. I don't mind this at all, actually. We have equal highs above. Unfilled 5-minute, unfilled 15-minute. How big is this wick? It's not great. And we have just been like low-key dumping like crazy. I don't know, man. I just don't really like this close. I don't know. Does that matter though? I feel like we can just take this anyway. Yeah. What is it? 10:09. Oh, we do have 10:10 manipulation, or 10 a.m. manipulation. Okay, yeah, I think I'll take this. I think this is really clean. Top the 4-hour intermediate term low, and we're overall bullish. Pretty nice move down, creating WR and equal highs and unfilled 5 and 15-minute. Then internal SMT at sell side liquidity with 10 a.m. open low high close and 5-minute IFVG off that. Also, something I really like is SMT soup this internal low, and then we have right here OB just got tested, held, soup this intermediate term low, held, strong wicks. I mean, it looks pretty bullish, so we'll give this a 4.5. Do we have an SMT? No. Yo, ES is like so behind, bro. It's timeline, ES. Dale, or nothing below. I mean, discount. Yeah. Yes. No. No. Actually, 5-minute close isn't amazing, but on the 1 minute, it still looks really good. Ooh, should I limit this? I mean, where would I limit? Like, we already hit this 1 minute OB. Yeah, I don't think there's really anything to limit. This is Wednesday, right? Yeah. Wednesday, bullish. Delivering from a 4-hour. Delivering from that hard time from rejection block. Do we have hard time from EQ as well? Maybe. Depends where we anchor from. This can definitely be an anchor. Ooh, we do have EQ. That's really clean. EQ, soup to external. Yeah. Session raid, no. SMT, no. OB, nah. I don't think we have anything else really. Yeah, nah. Okay, cool. So then go lower time frame. We have 4-hour BISI. External soup. Where's external soup? Internal SMT. No breaker. We do have equilibrium. No OTE. No 3 drive. Actually, this kind of is Yeah, because 1, 2, 3. I feel like that's pushing it a bit. I don't know. No data lows. We are kind of holding this 5-minute RB, which is kind of clean. Yeah, we are holding all of this. All these bullish P rays we have. Not a super clean breaker, but we do have an OB. Yeah. Looks pretty good. 5 minutes. I think it's a little bit premium. I give it a 4 point. I'll give it a 4 actually, just because of that close. Otherwise, I think this is really clean. Yeah, strength and bias is still good. Let's see though. Dang. I don't really like that we edge this. Oh, we created an SMT. Ooh, 1030 with LRL below. Ooh, I'm kind of debating closing here at break even, just because, I mean, I guess we did open low on the 15-minute. This does look like a really clean close. Manipulated this again. I feel like this just makes sense to hold still. Do we have like a 2-minute inversion? We do. And it's a pretty strong one as well. I feel like this just makes sense to hold. I don't know, I'm just gonna let this run. Hopefully. There we go. I think I can probably just break even at this high. There's my break even. Dang. Oh, bet. Holy crap, that was a roller coaster, man. That was, I mean, lucky that we were still in that after this, but I think that was a really good discretionary play here not to close, because normally when we do generate this kind of sell side, like if we didn't make this SMT, I would definitely close at break even here, just because generating this type of LR, especially on the 1 minute, all of this, like, bro, like a lot of the time that's getting ran. But the fact that we manipulated again, making a 3 drive, and then gave that really clean 2-minute inversion, gave me a lot of confidence. Internal high hit. Decided not to go break even there, because it would have been a decent break even, but it's just like, what's that defending? It's defending an unfilled 15-minute, and we're already hella discounted. So yeah, pretty high probability run to that. And yeah, I would say this is a pretty clean trade. Horrible delivery, but I'll take it. Hit for 1.04R, I think. Yeah. Improvements and good things that I did. Really good trade. I was considering closing at PE after being in drawdown, but I saw the SMT making a 3 drive, and because of that, we had more than enough manipulation at sell side, and then super clean 2-minute IFVG, so looked really bullish from here. Yeah, I'm actually really happy with this. What was that? Like a little bit above 250. Yeah, 260. 260. And yeah, I mean, I guess maybe we could have held longer, but it's like already 11. Yeah, it just would have been break even. So good close as well. Little top to close. I think FX replay might be bugging a bit. I don't know why it felt really like choppy. It still feels kind of choppy. I don't know. Maybe I'm tripping. But yeah, pretty good day there. And the daily rating, I'd say probably 9.5. Low-key 10. I don't really think I did anything wrong there. Yeah, pretty good day. Okay, going into Thursday. Let's see, what are we doing here? What are we doing? Delivering off of 79, delivering off of 7, of what's it called, CE of the RB, delivering off this breaker or order block. Good displacement. We are kind of running back to the previous low, but we do have a daily open low, so could see higher from here. We also have an SMT at this low here, and we might pull back to this on ES. This is a nice, we could see this like 4-hour 3 drive. That would be pretty clean, but I think overall, especially with these slanted highs, this looks very bullish. So maybe off this SMT we could see a rip. I think this looks pretty good. I don't know. I don't really want to take a reversal here though. Not really too sure why. Low-key, this does look kind of, yeah, no, this looks pretty clean to take a reversal. I don't know, I kind of feel weird about it though. Why do I feel like that? We have stacked highs. Yeah, I don't really see equal highs at session highs on ES. So yeah, pretty clean. I don't know, like I think if we can get a reversal, I think that would be pretty good. So good day today. Called draws nice and used good discretion. The 16th, yeah, okay, 17th. Leaning more bullish today as we're in bullish order flow off the daily, or wait, off the daily, off the weekly RB, and then delivering from the daily busy, or bro, why do I keep saying daily? 4-hour busy. I swear my mind is so scrambled right now. I need to like meditate after this. And yeah, just clear buy model. I don't know. We should be in RBM to pierce this high if 4-hour can hold, and a session low sweep can deliver us higher. We also have good stacked session highs above. So yeah, pretty clean. Previous high, and just like the overnight highs. Conditions gonna be this 4-hour busy and Asia session low. If ran, I want to see 4-hour intermittent low, and then condition based from there. I swear conditions are literally everything. Like, yeah, that's like 90% of drawn liquidity. Strength of this draw is gonna be 3.5. I don't know, just feel kind of weird about it. Aside from that, I mean, it's pretty strong draw. No SMT. No. Dang, bro. Oh, wow. Alright, we just took out Asia lows. Let's see if we end up rejecting from there. No. Took out that 4-hour low. I don't really like longs from here. Like, it's okay. It's what, a 5-minute? Yeah, no, just not great. No internal sweep. We do have an SMT. It's probably something that I'm willing to forward test. I don't really like this long too much. I don't know what it is. Ooh. Damn. This is like the exact same as yesterday though. Did this displace a lot? I feel like this isn't actually that bad. Good buy side up here. Unfilled 5 minute. Good displacement. SMT at the lows. Yeah, wait, why am I not taking this? Dude, this is like the exact same as yesterday. Do we have, yeah, we have the internal sweep. I feel like I should take this, but I also feel like this isn't as good of a trade. What do we have yesterday? We had equal highs, unfilled 15 minute, and a worse inversion. Today we have relative equal highs right here, as well as the 5 minute, and better targets above. Also discounted. Yeah, oh, we did. No, wait, there's an SMT at this high. Yeah, no trade. Yes, sir, good fade. Really good fade. Happy I saw that SMT. Probably would have been pretty pissed off if I lost without seeing that. SMT with unfilled 5 minutes, so no trade. Could maybe see longs off this though, because this is a nice internal sweep. Ooh, I don't really like how long this is taking. Yeah, okay. Super chopped. I feel like cons might play. I'm not taking nothing, but nah. Probably like break even or something. I don't know, whatever. Yeah, definitely a break even, but I don't know. Or TP1. Next day. Nothing super clean today. Just dumped all day. And the one kind of valid trade was invalidated by the SMT. Okay, 18th. Ooh, this is really interesting. Okay, no, this is pretty bearish. Yeah. Yeah, okay, I think this is pretty clear. We are delivering from the daily SIBI. Clearly, bearish is stronger than bullish right now. Daily SIBI is holding, this daily OB is holding. This weekly is holding stronger than this weekly RB. So it's looking pretty bearish right now. Daily open high. SMT with this unfilled 4 hour. Ooh, this is kind of weird. Unsponsored London highs. Relative equal lows with this low here. We did take out the Asia session low though. Oh, this is kind of weird, but with it. I mean, I don't know. I guess if we run through all the stages of this, like all the stages of mitigation of this value gap, then we could see higher up to these highs, because it does look pretty clean. Oh, we have an SMT at these lows. Ooh. The SMT is kind of... Actually, I don't know. Still would want to see more structure. Maybe like a 5 minute cons. If we can run through CE, open a 5 minute, and then call longs. But overall, leaning more bearish. But bearish draws have been taken on ES, and we have a good soup higher with really clean targets above, so maybe we could see this SMT is invalid, and we should see lower. Drawn liquidity on a session high or low of day. Conditions is going to be the 30-minute SIB. And then not super confident in anything here. We could see a possible, I was talking about caught longs earlier. We could see maybe caught shorts or just an inversion. But if it's an inversion, I think I'd rather see like, I don't know, maybe a 5-minute or something. This is, yeah, lower. It's probably about a 2.5. Yeah, probably 2. Yeah, actually, no, maybe 3. Yeah, I'll give it a 3. Okay, 3-minute. Oh, that's a 4-minute. Yeah, not really much I can do about that. CE held nicely. We got a super that internal high. And then probably clear onto these lows, yeah. Okay, well, let's see. Do we end up displacing through? That is a good 15-minute close. I don't really like that. If we're gonna be bearish, obviously. Oh wow. Maybe 5-minute market structure shift. Okay, dang, this is interesting. Okay, soup this internal low, clear buy side above. Hourly unfilled right here. Do we have a 5-minute? We do. Okay, that's really clean. Could see tap back into this 5-minute and then possible long. Okay, 5 minutes getting inversed. That is now a breakaway gap as we tapped into the 30-minute CE and soup this internal high. Yes, I'm not super confident in that 1 hour anymore. Honestly, if we can get a tap into this and ES taps that hourly, that would be really clean. So yeah, hopefully we could see that. I don't know. It's interesting. Okay, we tapped into the 5-minute. ES did make relative equal highs with the 1 hour though. Dang. Ooh. This is a horrible inversion just because we're so discounted, bro. Yeah, I don't know about this. 2-minute. Yeah. Yeah, that was chopped. Nothing we could do there. Just unlucky. We didn't need ES to top this high. It didn't really matter too much, but it was mainly just this not getting a good close. And, yeah. Not really much else to say. I mean, I guess maybe we could have taken this 3-minute, but we'd be break even, so that's fine. Yeah, it's totally fine. Could see this continue lower if we open it for value gap for cons. Like that. Do we have generated sell side? Ooh, really nice generated sell side. Weekly sell side. Bro, that's so clean. We do have this 30-minute open low though. 15-minute unfilled above. Okay. If we could get a pullback into that, that would be really nice. Although, when we're this close to higher time frame PDA, sometimes we get shallow retraces, so we might just distribute here. We'll see. We don't have any entry anyway, so maybe on the 2-minute. Oh. Yeah, no. Nothing there. Resweep maybe? Dang. Yeah, nothing. 10:30. Really clean open low. Generates buy side. We do have pretty good distribution over 10, but I do think 11 could maybe cook. With a retrace, I don't know. Nah. Okay. Go to New York. That was Thursday. Oh, was that Thursday or Friday? Wait. Thursday the 17th. Oh, I guess, oh, that was Friday. Oh, I didn't even realize that. I thought it was Thursday. Damn. Yeah, pretty trash week, honestly. There wasn't really anything other than Monday was pretty good. Tuesday was pretty good. Friday, nothing. Wednesday, Thursday, pretty much nothing. So, nothing today. Duo played out lower. Yeah, just no entries delivered straight to my duo. That's fine. Yeah, anyway, let's go back and check the stats. So we have a 72% win rate right now. 16 trades, 8 and 3. Pretty trash RR. And we are up about 1 R on the month. A little bit more maybe. And yeah, not a bad week. I think we made the most out of it that we could. I think, oh wait, Wednesday was good. Okay, yeah, it was Thursday and Friday that were bad. Monday, can't really remember what happened on Monday, but yeah, Tuesday and Wednesday were good. The rest of this week kind of sucked, but that's fine. I think I played this week pretty well. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll be uploading a lot more of these soon, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, thank you for watching. Peace out.